All right, I've got a doozy of a program for you. So for this assignment, you're going to create a program for a pizza shop. And it's basically nothing too crazy here. They're going to enter a name. Bob's back. And you've got 3 categories. You can do whatever categories you want. Hell, you don't even need to do pizza. You could do any type of food or any. I don't care what you do, just as long as you have the same stuff, the same controls that I have, I should say. So I'm doing pizza. So you need 3 things, 3 group boxes, 3 options each. So they can pick a size of pizza. And look what's going on here. I've got different prices for my stuff. Don't use decimals. Integers can't use decimals. So it looks like don't put 1050 here. Keep your numbers whole. Do 10.00, 15.00, yada yada. We don't want to deal with decimals just yet. But something cool here, I've got a running total for price. And depending on which radio button I select, my price label is changing. Ooh, mystery. I pick a sauce, I pick a second option. Same thing, price is changing based on what I'm clicking. Barbecue sauce is $2, buffalo's $3, marinara is no extra charge. And finally topping, same thing. Boop, boop. And if they want to go pineapple, we're dinging them $50 because that's disgusting. Get out of the store. Yeah, and then they hit the order button. Couple things. Message pops up that says thanks, Bob. So whoever they punch in here, and then look, it goes through all 3 things. It says your large marinara ham pizza. Oops, I forgot to put a space there. Don't do that. It goes through all 3 options, adds them together. We'll be ready in 20 minutes. And plays a sound effect in case you didn't hear it there. So, I'll get you started. Also I have a text all. I have a select all for tabbing into my text box. So if I press Bob and go tab, 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 it selects it all, so it's ready to go. Variables. These are the variables I'm using. Quite a few. So I've got a string for the size. So based on which size of pizza they pick. I've got a string for the sauce. Some words based on which sauce they pick. And a string topping based on which topping they pick. Then I've got a string for the order. That's the name that goes here. So whatever name they give me. And then I have a string for the message. That is the final message you see at the bottom of the screen there. So I'm just setting that label to be equal to some long message. For integers, this is the tricky part of the program. Notice how I am initializing these variables. I'm not just declaring them, I'm giving them values. I'm setting everything equal to 0 at the start. Because at the start, they haven't picked a size, they haven't picked a sauce, they haven't picked a topping, so I'm just setting it all to 0. And then I have a total. This total variable is what's keeping that running total right here. So based on which topping they choose, which topping or sauce or size, I'm changing these variables. And then I'm always adding up the total. So this is I'd say this is the tricky part of the assignment, and I'm going to let you sit and suffer a bit with it, see if you can figure it out. But I'm showing you this part, so I think that's it. Icon, names, proper naming. I kept the border this time. Some people don't like when I take away the border. Center start screen. Not that you'll get marks taken off, but I don't know. It's always nice to start at the center. And the users can't change the size of my program, which is cool too. Border style. All right. Have fun.